Hello everyone, welcome back. So here you have to create this API endpoint. So here you have to copy this. That is lectures. So you need to copy this lecture. Then go inside API here. Then inside API. Then here you have to go inside admin. Then inside curriculum. Then inside section guys. Inside section you have to create the new folder that is lecture. Then inside here you have to create the new file that is a root.js files. Then inside here you have to import the necessary modules from the Nextjs. So that is the first one. Is here import the next response from the next server. That is the next response next response from the next / server. Right. Then after that here we will import the MongoDB connections utility function to connect with your database. So here you have to import DB connect function. That is a DB. Yes, DB connect function from that is DB connect. Right. Then after that here we have importing the curriculum model to interact with the database. That is import here curriculum. Okay, curriculum from at the rate /models then /curriculum. Here just here you have to write your curriculum model. Then after that here importing the sluggy file to create a slug from the title that you got from the client side import your sluggy file function from the sluggy file. Alright. Then next it is after that here we have to create the post function to add a new lecture to curriculum sections. So here you have to export async function async async function that is a post. Okay. Then inside it, okay guys, so inside it here we have the request object like then inside here we have to establish a connection to the MongoDB database. First up I'll await. Let me remove this. Then inside here await DB connect functions. Okay. And then after that here we have passing the request body to extract data that is a new lecture. Then your curriculum ID and section ID that you got from the client side. Okay. So just here you have to got the batch from the client side. That is a new lecture. Then search means this is your curriculum ID. Then section ID equal to the body from the body. Okay guys, here the next thing here passing your data const body equal await rec.json. Okay, you know that guys here this is a new lecture. Then search then second ID that you got from the client side. Here this data guys I am talking about. This data I have sent from the client side. Here this data here we have sending in the body to the server side. Here you got it here. Okay. Then after that here we will use the try and catch block for your handling. So we write in the try and catch block. Right. So here first of all we will go inside the catch block. Then inside the catch block, if any error occur during any part of the process, then you return a response with the status code 500 to the client side. Here you have to return next response dot JSON. Then inside here that is here you have to write the error. Then error dot message. Okay. And here you have to write error dot message. As well as here you have to send the status code. Status that is 500 word. Then you have to go to the right inside time block. Then here you have to implement your logic. Okay. So here find the curriculum ID by the its identity search here const. Let me remove this. Then here you have to write the const curriculum. Curriculum equal await here await curriculum Okay, await curriculum dot find by id. Okay, then inside here that is your curriculum id, it is a search. Got it. So this is your search. Then here next thing, if curriculum is not found, then here return your response with the status code 500 404 to the client side. That means it is not found. If not curriculum here, if not curriculums, then inside it here return next response dot json. Then inside it here, that is the error. Okay, here that in the curriculum not found. That is a message, guys. Curriculum not found. Got it. As well as here we have to send your status code. That is 404 status 4. Okay guys, here 404. It means not found. Then after that here find section inside the curriculum where the lecture need to be edited. So that is we can easily find. The reason is that we have the section ID. Okay. So on this subsection ID we can find it here easily. Here that is a const. Const section equal curriculum. Here you have to write the curriculum dot sections. Sections dot okay dot id dot id. Then here you got the section id from the client side. This one guys, section id. Okay, here you have to use this id from the client side. Here we will find a particular section from the curriculums. Then here if section is not found, then you return the response with the status code 500. Okay, so you need to copy this code. You have to make the changes. Here you have to remove your curriculums. Just paste it section. As well as here also section not found. Okay, so now fine. Then here after that if we got the select, then you need to select for the new lectures const. Okay, const select equal select 5 method. Then inside it here, here you have the that is a new lecture dot title. New here new lecture dot titles. Okay, so on the basis of a title I want to just create a select. Then it puts the new lecture along with the generated select into the section lectures array. So that is sections here. If we find the sections, section, then dot lectures dot post function inside it here inside the object dot. That is a new lecture, new new lecture that you got from the client side. Here also we have to add this line. Got it? Section. Then you save the updated curriculum back to the database. Await here. Await curriculum. Curriculum dot save functions. Got it? Then after that here retrieve the newly added lectures. Okay, then send to the client side. That is a const newly added lecture. Newly edit lecture. Okay, newly added lecture equal to the section dot lectures. Just here I want to access section dot lectures. Okay, section dot lectures. Then inside replicate here I want to just get the last lecture object from the database of these sections. So you can just access the last, which is very easy. Section dot lectures. Okay, dot length. Dot length minus 1. Okay, so here you can access the last lectures. So here you have to find your document. This is your last lecture. Newly edited lecture, that is your last lectures. Then after that here, return the newly edited lecture to the response to the client side. Here you have to return return next response dot json, sorry, return next response dot json. That is your new lecture, guys. Listen, I want to send that particular newly edited lecture to the client side. Got it? So here you have to format your document. Got it? So here we successfully created your post method for adding a new lecture in the database. Got it? So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lectures.